to get over to fish. Let's see what happens with Dave and Todd.
Dave! What's up? How you doing, bro? Good to see ya. I know, I'll move. Dude, but nice to see you.
Nice to see you.
Yeah, dude, you ready
Todd
to go?
was just texting me. When's your ETA?
Yeah.
What's happening?
Not much. Ready to go, ready to have fun. Yeah, so where's
What are you
the...
wearing there? Are you going to the... It looks like you got like your...
I'm not doing anything.
Oh, this looks like it goes with a pair of OP shorts on the beach.
Well, I got
lightweight,
it's a
hoodie.
skateboard. Need my
Watch where you go
skateboard.
step on my foliage.
Oh, dude, sorry. Why are we at Dave's house?
We are at Dave's house to go fish the kayak park that just opened 3 weeks ago. And so a little urban fishing expedition is what this is going to be. We're going to walk over here, right over there. And you know, if we really wanted to, from there we could walk over and get margaritas, but instead we're going to come back here, drink sake, and watch the Buffs.
Dave, what happened? Oh yeah, you need to get that, dude. Ready to go pro?
I don't know. I forget my rod.
Look at these pros. This is gonna be great with the sun coming down, guys. This is the golden hour. Where do you guys put in at? Right here?
Oh, dude.
Todd, where are we going?
No fishing here. Dry stream.
What the heck? Where are we going,
this
dude?
This the new kayak park? Yeah. They spent $300 million on this.
Yeah. Dude, I'm getting B-roll. No, really?
Right? Don't crush me. See?
Oh, jeez.
Yeah. Quit stepping on it.
Oh, dang it. What'd you get? Where's your...
This little guy.
Look at this. Bring him in. You want me to grab your thing or you got it?
Got him.
Oh, look, he's a little guy.
Nice. Brown trout. That's brown trout right there. Look at that guy.
Yeah.
Fish.
Oh, nice. So it's 1-1. Todd's over there saying that...
Is he talking smack already?
He's talking smack. He's saying that that you have to serve him drinks all night. Is it a load of crap or what? Dude, you see this guy? Shit, Adam. Oh! What's wrong, Dave?
Todd just tangled our lines up.
What?
Yeah.
No way.
Total rookie move. Total rookie move.
Am I stuck to you?
That's not good.
How long is that going to take for you to
It's
fix?
gonna not long. Watch this. This is how you fix it.
Did not clip my line.
There goes Dave's
I
fly.
just spent fucking 15 minutes double tying on, dude.
Sucks for
Dude, that sucks, Dave.
you. Oh, look at this.
Dude, those are some fighting words right there.